Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to be decorating a horizontal spread for Jenny, who's one of my patrons over on Patreon. Jenny, thanks for being a patron again this month. She requested a Love Yourself spread. She uses this planner for journaling, so I'm just going to make a pretty journaling spread with, let's see, I believe it's this one right here, which is like a pretty purple and greens and pinks. Really pretty. Oh, and this is from Love Posh. I believe this book's still available if you're interested in purchasing it. I'll have it linked down in the description. I already pulled the sheets, the duplicate sheets from here and started figuring out how I'm going to do this spread. Oh, you know what? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to undate this because this is like a old planner from, oh, I don't like this one. From last year. So, where is my pen? I don't know. I can't find it. Okay, I have to look for it because I know it's somewhere around here. Just can't find it. Alright, but yeah, I'm going to cover up those dates because they do not match for the weeks in June. Alright. So I have this really pretty corner piece. So that's going to fit perfectly over here in this corner. Like this. So pretty. Oh, and then I also found, well, I also got this Happy Plans. I've been mixing this book in with a lot of spreads recently. I've been really getting a lot of use out of it, actually. So that's been pretty good. But there's some like pinks and blues that go with this spread. So I pulled boxes from, from this book. Okay, so I think I want to do it this way. And then I can put this cluster in the corner. Okay, and then this will fit nicely here. Oh, geez, I need to cover up that date. Okay, where is my pen? Like, seriously. What did I do with it? I just used it. That's why I'm really confused. Okay, I might have to use this jelly roll. This jelly roll is not my favorite, but it does not want to work. Okay. Oh. Put it over here. I found it. I like this one. It's the Uniball Signo. This one's way better. Okay, so just gonna cover that up. I'll cover these up while I'm at it. Okay, let that dry. Got this cute remember. And then I also have these like decorative stickers that I want to add onto the spread. I like these like dripping nail polishes. I think those look cool. I'm gonna put this down. Oh no, I always touch that thing. No matter what, I always touch it. Put this here. It says you're beautiful. Okay. And then some more boxes. So pretty. So I have this quote. It says, "Beauty is being the best possible version of yourself inside and out." I'm just going to stick this here. Oh, it's a quote from Audrey Hepburn, apparently. Nice. All right, and then I'm going to do another little cluster, I think. Oh, this way. It says good things are coming. Let's go this way. Another floral sticker. I'll stick this one down here. And then I can stick something on top of that. Okay, so this one's gonna go down in this corner. I have these little candles. I'm gonna stick here. And then another thing of florals. Oh, I'm gonna cover up this. Okay. I'm gonna put love this here. Since this is for journaling, I'm trying to put words that could work for journaling too. Like remember, I feel like remember works. Love this. Like I wouldn't use it to do or priority or things like that, since this is for journaling. Okay, so this is gonna go, oops. I need it to come off the page a little bit. Like that. Another box. And another box. Okay. I kind of already used everything that I pulled, so that's good. Let's stick this here. So I'm gonna go into here, back into these. I don't need this wax paper anymore. All right, so I have these to pull now from. These little towels are cute. Although I have the candles there. Mask. I can do flowers with it. I really like this pink one. Too much flowers there. I think it's too much flowers. I think I'll put it there. Felt too close to that one. All right, so I can put this mask here, and then just put the towels there, and oh, I know. I could do some bullet points. So I need more pink. So I'm gonna grab, actually I'm gonna go to a different page because I have pink over here. I'm gonna grab these. Just like to throw bullet points around the spread. Oops, that's crooked. A little off center. Okay, that looks better. And then maybe one here. On this side, I'll do a couple up here. And one here. Cool. Let's see, I think I want a flower up here. I really like this pink one. Where can I go? I mean, I kind of want to just put it here. Ooh, and since I put it here, I can actually use some new scissors I got. I finally got some non-stick scissors. So we shall see how these work. Since all my scissors are just so gunky from cutting stickers all the time. Oh yeah, doesn't even stick. Okay, well that's good. So I got these at Joann. I had seen them there before in like a bigger size, but I felt like it was too big. So I never got them. And then I saw this smaller size, which I feel like is a little bit better. So I got it, I think it was $12.99 plus I used a 50% off coupon. So I got a pretty good deal on these little scissors. I actually went there and they changed up like a lot of how they organize the store that I go to. So I was a little lost for a bit trying to find, I actually went to go look for a new blades for my paper trimmer and they didn't have any, but that's where I found this in that section that has the blades. Well, that usually has the blades for the paper trimmer. Ooh, I think this looks really pretty. I really like the colors. Okay, let's see. Maybe I can stick. What is this? It's like a face scrub, like a sugar scrub or something. I don't know. I think that's what it is. I'm just gonna stick it there because I feel like I needed something there. Okay, pretty. All right. Oh, I think she has quotes in here, so I'm gonna go in here. I think, yeah. Let's see. Can I find one that's not too big? I like this one, but I feel like it's too big. Maybe this Be Real Not Perfect. Oops, I just feel like I need a quote on this side. So this one is gonna go over here somewhere. Let's see. Maybe. Okay, I'll put it here. Ah, I can't put things down straight. Try that again. Okay. Pretty. All right, so that is gonna be my spread for Jennie. I love how it turned out. So pretty. All right, so again, if you want to purchase this book, it is currently available. This one, however, I do not know. So if it is, I'll link it. If not, I'm sorry. but yeah, that's gonna be the spread. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you on the next one.